1 table and 2 chairs, age grade is 2+. Table and chairs can be used as a craft table, eating table and more. Minimal adult assembly required. Product dimensions: table, 19.5 x 27.125 w x 27.125 d. Chairs, 21 x 13.5 w x 13 d. Maximum weight of each chair is 75 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. Love this table and chairs set. This is my third set of Step 2 Traditions table and chairs. The table surface is huge compared to most children's tables. Cleanup is a breeze since you don't need to worry about liquids damaging the surface. The sets I had at home looked great for years until my kids outgrew them. The recent purchase is for our ABA clinic. My only wish for this set would be larger seats on the chairs. I understand they're for children, but to sit and play with a child, it's a challenge.